Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis and Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about gift deed and what are the essential clauses that must be mentioned in a gift deed. Uh, Gift deed is mentioned under Section 122 of Transfer of Property Act 1882. It says that the transfer of certain existing movable or immovable property made voluntarily and without consideration uh, by one person called the donor and to another called the donee and accepted by or on behalf of the donee. बेसिकली गिफ्ट डीड क्या होता है? जब एक डोनर डोनी को एक कुछ भी मूवेबल हो या इमूवेबल हो प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफ़र करता है एंड विदाउट एनी कंसिडरेशन आउट ऑफ लव और अफेक्शन, यानी कि देयर मस्ट बी अ रिलेशनशिप एंड it could be any property movable or immovable, and that property or that gift must be accepted by the donee. So this is section 123 of the Transfer of Property Act. And what are the essential clauses that must be mentioned in a gift deed format? First is name, date and place. A name: the gift deed shall contain the date and the day on which it executed along with the place where it will be executed. The deed shall also contain the name, age and father's name or occupation and place of residence of both the parties, that is the donor and the donee. Then details of the property must be mentioned specifically. The details of the property to be transferred shall be mentioned in the deed. In the case of immovable property, the details may include the location of the property, its area, etc. It should be mentioned in the deed that donor is in the possession of the property to be gifted and that he holds the title of the immovable property. Then there must be no consideration. The donor shall make the gift without any consideration, यानी कि if when he is giving any property to other person under this gift deed, he must not accept anything valuable in regard to that property. It must be out of free will, यानी कि with forceful force नहीं होना चाहिए for making such transfer of that property. It must be free consent. There must be free consent. Then rights and liabilities must be mentioned in that deed. The gift deed states the rights and liabilities of the donor and the donee. The donee has a right to own, possess, a sale, mortgage, lease or further transfer the gifted property. Then there must be acceptance by the donee. The gift shall be accepted by the donee during the lifetime of the donor. If the gift is not accepted during the lifetime of the donor, it shall be considered as void. Then payment of requisite fees. It shall contain a clause stating that the charges for executing the deed are to be borne by the donor or the donee or both. Then execution of the delivery. The deed shall execute the shall state the mode of delivery of the property to the donee by the donor. So this was all about a gift deed. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.